In a second, we're gonna see inside my dishwasher. You're gonna be able to see everything running. Hello, my name is Renee. I am an appliance care and maintenance specialist and a former appliance repair tech. So what's going on right now, I have a clear service door attached to my dishwasher. This is a service door that technicians will use to see inside of the dishwasher to diagnose issues. It's not used super often for that, to be quite honest, because it's pretty easy to hear like if the motor is on or if the motor is not on or whatever. What's going on with this right now, I have the dispenser right here that I'm waiting until that pops for me to toss the detergent in there, because this door, it doesn't have a detergent dispenser on it, so I have to put the detergent in manually for this type of situation. This is just like the beginning. They do a little bit of like a pre-wash on this dishwasher, and then once the pre-wash is done, it will pop open the dispenser. You'll hear it pop. You'll hear like the little pop when it pops open. Oh, that was the dispenser. So what we're gonna do now, I basically have to override the lock. I'm not showing y'all how I do that, but I had to turn the lock off just now. And as soon as I turn the lock off, it thinks the door is open now, which means I can undo my little clamp on the top here. That's the clear door. This is the pod, because right now, the way that I have it set up, the detergent dispenser just opened, which means this is when it would have popped out anyway. Very important to put the detergent into the dispenser, even if it is a pod. So that's gonna go. Ta-da! I'm not wasting water. The dishes were dirty. I'm actually doing dishes right now. I'm doing chores and I'm raising money. Haha! Can you buy the service door from somewhere? I would not suggest buying a service door unless you are a service technician, because it's not as easy as pushing the door against the thing and hitting start. You have to override the lock mechanism. And I'm not teaching y'all how to do that, I'm sorry. No matter how much you donate.